Everyone. Well, angels, we have gathered here today for the science quiz, and the foundress has already arrived. Please welcome Please be seated. On Alexander Fleming's birthday, today we have arranged this science quiz, and the first semi-final will be played between Team A, Team C, Team F and Team H. All the teams are well prepared. I wish them all the best, and let's welcome the first team, that is Team A. Please welcome Team F. And Team H. Before we go for the first round, let me go through the rules first. The first round will be buzzer round. I'll be asking only 4 questions for the buzzer round. The team pressing the buzzer first, of course we do not have the electrical buzzers fitted over here, so we have these balls. They will be throwing the balls. The team throwing the ball first will be given a chance to answer. If the answer is correct, the team adds 5 marks to their tally. In case they answer it wrong, 3 marks will be deducted. That means the buzzer round is going to be a negative marking round. So you have to be very careful before you press the buzzer. Round will be regulation round. Each team will be put forward 6 questions. For every correct answer, you add 5 marks to your tally. There is no negative marking in this round. But this round is a pass round. In case Team A is not able to answer the question, it will be passed to Team C. Team C, if able to answer the question, will get only 3 marks. If Team C is also unable, then next team, that is F, will be given a chance. If they answer, they will get 2 marks, and it will not be passed to the 4th team. Right? That is the regulation round. For the last round, that is the rapid fire round. The rapid fire round will have 7 questions. Those 7 questions you will have to answer in 1 minute. In case you are able to answer all the 7, you will get 21 marks. This round carries the maximum marks. 3 marks for every correct answer. I hope I have made the rules pretty clear. One thing more, after you have pressed the buzzer, the answer has to come within 10 seconds. You cannot take more than 10 seconds to start your answer after you have pressed the buzzer. Right, friends? Audience? Okay. Ready, teams? Hands on buzzer. And here goes the first question. Ready? But before I go for the first question, let me warn you, hurry also makes curry. So you should not be in unnecessary hurry. Think before you go for it. Right? Teams, the first question is, name the gas evolved when a metal reacts with a dilute acid. Think before you. Come on. Time and tide wait for none. Time has already started. Team A. Okay. And your answer is hydrogen is absolutely correct. With this, team A open their tally with 5 marks. And here is the second question. Ready, teams? Hands on buzzer. And here I go. The question is, name the instrument used to measure liquid pressure at any place. The instrument used to measure liquid pressure. Come on, think, answer. A team has already scored. It is time for others to open their tally. Come on, do not think so much. It's already 25 seconds, last 5 seconds. Come on, fast, time and tide, wait for none. Time up. So, ऑडियंस में से अगर कोई आंसर देंगे, ऑफ कोर्स बजर राउंड में हम आपके पास नहीं आएंगे, रेगुलेशन में अगर चारों टीमें आंसर नहीं दे पाई उसके बाद हम आएंगे आपके पास और हर एक करेक्ट आंसर के लिए ऑडियंस को एक टॉफी मिलेगी। अपनी टॉफियों को संभाल के रखिएगा। जितनी ज्यादा टॉफियां होंगी सबसे ज्यादा टॉफी कलेक्ट करने वाले को मिलेगी बेस्ट ऑडियंस की ट्रॉफी। ये है स्पोर्टिंग एंजल्स का कल्चर। टॉफीज को कभी ट्रॉफी में बदलते देखा? स्पोर्टिंग एंजल्स में होता है ऐसा। आइए इसका आंसर जान लेते हैं। वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो लिक्विड प्रेशर मेजर करने के काम आता है उसे कहते हैं मैनोमीटर। ओके, डोंट बी डिसअपॉइंटेड। Still, we have got two more questions. Ready, teams? Hands on buzzer. Question number 3. And your question is, name the hormone secreted by pancreas. Name the hormone secreted by pancreas. Yes, team H. Come again. Insulin is not correct. I am afraid you lose -3. The correct answer is insulin. Well, ready, teams? The last question. You still have an opportunity to open your tally. Only one team has opened their tally and one has been very unlucky to score -3. Still, no worries. We have a long way to go. Ready, teams? Hands on buzzer. And question number 4. Your question is, which is greater? Sliding friction or rolling friction? Come on, think before you speak. Ready, team C. sliding friction, and your smile says it all, is absolutely correct. You get 5 marks. दोस्तों, with this we complete the buzzer round. Let's have a glance on the scoreboard, and the scores are: Team F haven't opened their account yet, Team H -3, and Team A and Team C are fighting out for the first position. 5 for each team. Well, we start the regulation round. The regulation round, as you all know, 5 marks for each correct answer. This does not have negative marking. However, it is a pass round. And the first question, I'll be starting with Team A. Your question is, Team A, after I have finished up my question, you get only 30 seconds to answer. And my question is, on commercial scale, food grains are stored in big cylindrical structures called A. Godowns, B. Cellars, C. Allays, D. None of these. On commercial scale, food grains are stored in big cylindrical structures called A. Godowns, B. Cellars, C. Allays, D. None of these. Option B is absolutely correct. You get 5 marks and your tally goes to 10. Team C, next question for you. And your question is, uprooting of weeds by a garden trowel is a method of controlling them. A. Chemically, B. Mechanically, C. Biologically, D. None of these. Uprooting of seeds by a garden trowel is a method of controlling them. A. Chemically, B. Mechanically, C. Biologically, D. None of these. Come on, 30 seconds. B. Mechanically is absolutely correct. Although you are a bit hesitant, but the answer is absolutely correct, like the Indian soldiers in the war of Kargil. Question for you. Ready? Team F, your question is, before sowing, seeds should be treated with A. Insecticides, B. Pesticides, C. Fungicides, D. Fertilizers. B. Fertilizers is, I'm afraid, wrong. Question passes to Team H. Repetition में पूरा टाइम जाएगा आपके लिए, 10 सेकेंड है बस. Before sowing, seeds should be treated with insecticides, pesticides, fungicides, fertilizers. Pesticide is not correct. Passes to you. 10 seconds देखिए. टाइम बचा है. Still it is there. Okay. अब आप पहले ध्यान से सुनते नहीं हैं तो it is your fault. Okay. Your question. The soil that needs less frequent irrigation is A. Sandy, B. Clay, C. Rocky, D. Loamy. Sandy.
Wrong it is.
Well, the second round of the regulation round, I'll be starting with you, Team H. And your question is, it is a highly malleable metal used to pack foodstuffs. You have to name this out of the 4 options. And your options are A. Sodium, B. Lithium, C. Aluminium, D. All of these. A highly malleable metal used to pack foodstuffs is sodium, lithium, aluminium, all of these. Aluminium, you were a bit hesitant, but your answer is absolutely correct. Very good. टीम एच आप बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हो, शाबाश। टीम एफ, योर क्वेश्चन इज metallic oxides are A. Basic in nature, B. Acidic in nature, C. Neutral, D. Can be acidic or basic. Basic in nature, very confident, and 5 marks for your team. Very good. Next question is for you, Team C, and your question is, the metal that gets tarnished when left exposed to air for a long time is A. Copper, B. Silver, C. Iron, D. Sodium. The metal that gets tarnished when left exposed to air for a long time is A. Copper, B. Silver, C. Iron, D. Sodium. C. Iron. I'm sorry, is not correct. And it will not be passed to the next team. The answer is silver. Question for you. The shiny foil used to decorate sweets is made up of A. Silver, B. Copper, C. Aluminium, D. Iron. Option A, silver, very confident, is absolutely correct. 5 marks for you. With this, we have completed 2 rounds of the regulation round. Third question, third round of the regulation round. I'll be starting with you, Team A, and your question is, a force is A. Scalar quantity, B. Vector quantity, C. Measurable, D. Both A and B. Scalar quantity, vector quantity, measurable, both A and B. 30 seconds. Time is passing. Think, discuss, and answer. After a lot of deliberation comes the answer. Option B, vector quantity. Absolutely correct. Some marks. Question for you. Take C. Ready? Your question is, which one of the following is an example of contact force? A. Magnetic force. B. Muscular force. C. Electrostatic force. D. Gravitational force. Which one of the following is an example of contact force? A. Magnetic. B. Muscular. C. Electrostatic. D. Gravitational force. B. Muscular force. How confident are you? Okay, absolutely correct. 5 marks for you. Team F, question for you. Pressure is defined as A. Force per unit area. B. Force per square unit area. C. Force. D. Force per volume. A. Force per unit area. B. Force per square unit area. C. Force. D. Force per unit volume. Option B, force per square unit area, I am afraid is not correct. The question passes to Team H. 10 seconds only, be careful. Option A is absolutely correct. And you get 3 bonus marks for your correct answer. 3 bonus. And your question is, Team H, your question is, a ball rolling on ground slows down and finally stops. This is because of A. Force, B. Less force, C. Friction, D. Gravitation. C. Friction is absolutely correct. Team H. Superb it is. Fantastic. It's a good going, Team H. Underdogs, but you are not. We are starting the last round. Well, this round I will be starting with you. This is the last of the regulation round. Influenza is caused in human beings by A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Amoeba, D. Fungus. A. Bacteria, B. Virus. Virus. You are still hesitant, you are not sure enough, but your answer is absolutely correct. And you can find out for it. Absolutely correct. Shabash. Time for you, Team F. Which part of human body is affected by tuberculosis? A. Kidney, B. Stomach, C. Lungs, D. Intestine. Lungs is absolutely correct. 5 marks for you. Team C. Time for you. The purification of blood takes place in A. Kidney, B. Lungs, C. Heart, D. Liver. The purification of blood takes place in A. Kidney, B. Lungs, C. Heart, D. Liver. A. Kidney is absolutely correct. 5 marks for your team. And the last question for you of this round. Which part of brain act as gatekeeper? Which part of the brain act as gatekeeper? A. Medulla oblongata, B. Thalamus, C. Hippocampus, D. Hippocampus, D. Hypothalamus. A. Medulla oblongata, B. Thalamus, C. Hippocampus, D. Hypothalamus. Which part of brain act as gatekeeper? Option B. Although you were not sure, but your answer is absolutely correct. With this, we have concluded resolution round. Well, after this round, the scores are: Team F is trailing behind with 10 marks. Team H second from the bottom, 15 marks. Team C 20 marks. And Team A are the leaders with 25 marks. Time to start rapid fire round. During the rapid fire round, I request Ramnaresh sir to get me the cards. During this round, 7 questions will be asked from each team. For each correct answer, you get 3 marks. So, 21 marks up for the grab. I would like you to score full 21, right? Ready, teams? Are you ready? Are you ready? Is the timekeeper ready? Okay. Who is going to answer? Who is going to answer? Nominate one. Okay, you are going to answer. So Team F, your time starts now. Sulfur dioxide gas forms sulfurous acid with water. Do you agree or disagree? Is not correct. Cod liver oil is rich in vitamin C. Is it true or false? Is not correct. Amoeba reproduces by budding. Is it straight or googly? Googly is correct. Usage of wheels and ball bearing increases friction. Am I serious or joking? Yes, correct. Electric wires are coated with rayon. Is it correct or incorrect? Incorrect is correct. Chromosomes are present in the nucleus. Is it right or wrong? Wrong is not correct. The weight of an object is because of the Earth's electrostatic force. Do you agree or disagree? Disagree is correct. Time up. 4 correct. 4 correct. 4 3s are 12. 12 added to the tally tally to 22. Please join your hands together for me. Well, Team H, rapid fire round for you. Ready? Timekeeper ma'am, ready? Your time starts now. Corrosion of iron is called rusting. Do you agree or disagree? Disagree is not correct. The removal of unwanted and uncultivated plants is called winnowing. True or false? True is not correct. A zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. Is it straight or googly? Is not correct. Friction causes wastage of energy. Am I serious or joking? No, I never joke. I am always serious. Polyester sprinkles on washing. Is it correct? Sorry, polyester shrinks on washing. Correct or incorrect? Incorrect is incorrect. The soil wall is made up of proteins. Right or wrong? Wrong is correct. Force is not measurable quantity. Do you agree or disagree? Disagree is correct. Fire can occur in the absence of combustible substances. True or false? Is not correct. The 6 added to your tally makes it 21. So, have a look on the board. Well, time for you, Team C. Are you ready? Rapid fire round. 7 questions, 21 marks. It is up to you how many you can grab up to, right? The judges are here to give you full 21. So, timekeeper ma'am, ready? So are you? Your time starts now. Diamond is a non-metal. Do you agree or disagree? Is not correct. Removal of grains from hay is called winnowing. True or false? False is correct. Egg laid after fertilization is made up of a single cell. Straight or googly? Is not correct. Lubricating a surface decreases friction. Am I serious or joking? Serious is correct. Acrylic base sheets are used for making lenses. Is it correct or incorrect? Not correct. Cytoplasm contains proteins, fats, carbohydrates and inorganic compounds. Right or wrong? Is not correct. The pressure exerted by a liquid decreases with depth. Do you agree or disagree? Is not correct. Black zone of flame is the hottest part of flame. True or false? Is not correct. So they answered only 2 correct. 3 to just 6. 6 added to your tally. Oh. Now, non-metals are bad conductors of electricity. Agree or disagree? Right? The rearing of animals on large scale is called poultry farming. Is correct. A new human individual develops from a cell called gamete. Straight or googly? Is correct. Grooves are made on the underside of the shoes to make their surfaces smooth. Am I serious or joking? Acrylic is a pure wood yarn obtained from sheep. Correct or incorrect? Nucleus plays an important role in digestion. Right or wrong? Is correct. Force of friction increases the speed of moving object. Agree or disagree? Correct. So I'll come back to you. Okay. I'll come back to you. That was question number 4. Grooves are made on the underside of shoes to make their surfaces smooth. Am I serious or joking? I was really joking, and it was absolutely it was all from the first semi-final. Team A with 36 makes it to the final. Team C with 26 points also makes it to the final. Tournament, I am really sorry for you. Tournament, there is always next time. Thank you. I hope each one of you enjoyed this. Keep sharing your views. We will certainly oblige. Thanks for joining.